Most people think budgeting is boring, so I'm doing it on a treadmill with a laptop. Every minute the speed increases, making it harder for me to breathe. Talk. How do Peloton coaches, how do they talk? And focus. This is very stupid. I am very distracted. My goal, explain budgeting so fast to avoid my own misery and help you save your next $1,000 more efficiently. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. But before we get into this budget template here, we have to take a step back because it's important to know why we want to do this in the first place. Budgeting is not fun unless you're on a treadmill. Budgeting is not sexy unless you're wearing a blue headband. If you don't have a why behind what you're doing, it's just never going to work. So what I like to recommend people doing is first, write down a list of 2, 5, 10 things that are most important to your life. It could be fitness, it could be paying off your debt, it could be saving more money. Oh, and my timer just went off here, so I'm updating it, increasing it. Let's see, now we're 6.5. This is still pretty calm right now. Here's my toddler's timer. This is very official. Okay, it's picking up a little bit. This laptop's heavier than I thought it was going to be. And I'm telling you all this about the zooming out because this is what really helped my wife and I when we went on a journey of paying off $43,000 of debt in just 13 months. We used this process of okay, why is it actually important to us? What's important in our life right now? Or what's the thing that we want to achieve and what's in the way? For us, it was we were living paycheck to paycheck and we had tens of thousands of dollars of debt. So we just pointed at it. We're like, you know what? This debt is an extreme issue. There we go. So what I didn't share with you is every 2 minutes, there's an even harder challenge. So I'm gonna reset the timer, increase it to 7. Let me show you quickly. The next challenge is actually a no hands challenge. I cannot hold the laptop in my hands, which makes it very difficult because according to my notes, I need to start talking about the budget right now. So if we look at the screen that we're looking at now that I cannot scroll around or use with my mouse right now, this is called the 3-month look back. As the name sounds, we want to go back 3 months of our expenses to understand where our money's going. What's our spending habits like? Because if we've never budgeted before or we've never done it consistently, oh my God, I'm gonna drop this thing, then just looking at our previous history will help us determine that. Oh, thank God. All right, it just beeped. We're at 0. I gotta crank it up again. 7.5 now. Oh, this is starting to get a little harder. Okay, now that we're in here, we can actually talk about this. And what you wanna do, in this file, I have December, January, February. You look at your last 3 months of variable expenses. We're talking things like groceries, gas, utilities. Woo, oh boy. Things that we spend money on every single month, that change every single month. This is a great way to sort of just look at our spending. When we say we're living paycheck to paycheck, are we actually not understanding why? And after coaching a lot of people in their personal finances, everyone, including me and my wife back in the day when we were doing this, at least 1 to 2 categories where it's like, wow, I cannot believe we're spending that much in this certain category. Oh no. Oh God, okay. Timer's going off. I gotta increase it to 8. The next challenge, I have to hold a cup of water and not spill it. Oh God, oh God, oh my God, it's everywhere. Oh my God. Oh my, it's so wet. Why did I fill it up so high? Okay. This is very stupid. I am very distracted. Oh my God, it's like leaking out of the thing. Oh my God. Ah! Ah! Oh my God. I have not discussed one thing about the budget and this challenge. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Oh my God. Why did I fill it up so high? Holy f***. Okay, all right. The timer's almost down. Hold on. We're almost there, people. Holy, oh my God. Woo. All right, hold on. There's water freaking everywhere. Oh man, my hands are wet. I gotta reset the timer. This is very dangerous, oh my God. 8.5. Why did I fill that up so much? Okay, back to the budget template. We go. So once we have the 3 months we're looking at. So any way you spend money, credit cards, debit cards, cash, it's a little harder to enter it on here, but you get the gist, right? And then at the end of the 3 months, we total the 3 months, we get an average. And that's where we see, okay, how much we've been spending the last 3 months of all this stuff. Oh God. Okay. It's already another freaking challenge. This video is going way too fast. I'm way behind on my notes. I gotta increase it to 9. Here we go. Woo. Okay, we're at 9. Oh my God. This is insane. Okay. Crap, I forgot. This is a new challenge. Producer, show the mousetrap in ominous music. In the next 2 challenges, I genuinely could fall off. Whoa, 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 whoa. And yeah, I still have my freaking budget up. This is insane. Where's my mouse? Oh my God. I cannot see anything. Once we have the average, then it's like, okay, are these averages aligned with our North Star goals that we made earlier? The list that we told ourselves was the most important. Whoo! Oh my God. Why did I do this? Okay. And then that's where we can create, you see here in column H, our new budget amount. It's like, okay, oh my God, went off again. You've got to be kidding me. I'm so nervous for this next one. I am so nervous. Okay. 9.5, oh my God. I literally might die in the next one. I hope this is making coherent sense for you guys, because I have no idea what I'm saying at this point. So if you look at categories, like if you look at groceries, for example, and eating out, you're like, wow, I spent an average of $250 a month on eating out. That's not one of my North Star goals. So I can cut this down. First month, we'll just call it 150. But that means if I'm eating less out, and that means I need to increase my groceries. So that's what we did here. We groceries, the average was $757. Oh no. Oh my God, you guys. Okay, this next challenge, for a minute, I gotta freaking blindfold myself. So let me change the timer. Oh my God. We're at 10. 10. Eee! How am I gonna get this one? The headband's gotta go. Oh my God. I can't even get this one. Okay. Woo. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. I can't f***ing see. I wanted to interrupt this program to let you know about my free personal finance community. It's called Dollar Discipline University, and I help people get off the treadmill of life with their personal finances and start growing the lives that they want to grow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's the head? Oh my God. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Please just don't go into the mouse traps. Inside of Dollar Discipline University, helping people build up their personal finance foundation. Oh, thank God. The challenge is over. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But check out all these lovely people and the nice things that they had to say. I didn't increase this. Oh God, we're at 11. School.com/debt. Ah! Wow, this is not a flattering view, guys. I'm doing it for you though. Smash the like if you've made it this far. Oh, son of a bitch. I literally can't. The water's right here. Ah! Don't drop the laptop. Oh God, how am I gonna do this? The water's right there. What a stupid setup. Who is producing this? Ah! 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 Guys, what a stupid challenge. I was supposed to have a weighted backpack. I can't even lift it off the thing. Oh, I wish I had my headband back. Oh, it's so wet on that side. Oh my God. Ah, ah. Oh, I had to like Peloton coaches. How do they talk? Ah. Okay. Oh no, my toddler timer is failing me. I gotta hurry this thing up. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Basically, the whole point of the 3-month look back. And this is what it looks like on my view. Oh my God. Ah! Now every month is a new opportunity for you to change your finances. Ah! Woo! and make something happen. So if you fail 1 month, it's okay because the next month is a new opportunity. As you can see, I'm already on 12. This is the max that this treadmill goes, and I'm about to die. I forgot what video I was gonna have you watch here, but I'll be breathing a little more smoothly in it.